Good afternoon. On this video, we are going to continue discussing what is the influence and the purpose about Operation Dudula, allegedly. And on this one, we are going to try to give a background of where everything have started. And as we have shown that the other except the ANC is the plan of the Broederbond to take over South Africa back to white people by 2004. The plan of the Broederbond to take the land back to white people by 2004. This is the bigger plan than any other thing. So as we said, Operation Dudula is just a fly that is trying to disturb. So what I would like to say is that all started around 1988. By 1988, according to the book that is appearing there, the high treason. Everything that I'm going to say here is allegedly from the book called The High Treason. It's an intelligent report of South Africa of all the secrets that were allegedly hidden between the apartheid white people and the ANC leaders. Please go find the book. And I repeat, everything that I'm saying here is allegedly from the book called High Treason. Now, the plan to take over land and government back from black people was planned by 38 Afrikaner leaders from different fields, from politics, from intelligence, from business, and any other influential sectors. And the leader of this 38 white or Afrikaners leaders was a man called Neil Barnard. Neil Barnard by himself was in the intelligence. And for those that might not be aware, Neil Barnard is the same white apartheid agent who President Zuma made his advisor in government in 2012. So it means President Zuma make the leader of the apartheid agent allegedly who are planning to take the government from black people, make him his advisor in 2012. I don't know if this is an answer at this moment about the reason why the Zuma must fall had to come. Then this men, among their biggest plan were the following. They had to find ANC leaders, allegedly according to the books, that will help them to be able to bring back the government from black people. Number two, they will have to control the economy, make sure the tax shop allegedly is away from the hands of black people, make sure the taxi industry is not wanted by black people so that the economy can come away from black people. Manipulate intelligence. Among others, make sure that any information that show that some of the ANC leaders allegedly that were being apartheid spies, the information about them is not seen anywhere. Get partners abroad in order to manipulate the banks. And the other, cause disturbance and chaos in order for the country to rely on you later for the rebuilding of the infrastructure. Chaos. You could be making sense now why there should be chaos. Now, the other plan that they were going to use, among others, was drug syndicates, allegedly. And then you have heard how some of the drug plants were found in South Africa. That is the little bit background, a bit, so that you can understand when we go further where everything started. Thank you for watching my video.